Welcome back everybody, this is another unboxing video. Today on the unboxing we have what's called the PowerBuilt branding rolling seat with organiser. It's quite a large item. It's ideal when you're working outside or inside, or maybe you're working on your vehicle. Now I'm going to have to take it out of the box for a little bit of construction, but the overall materials used are good, strong, sturdy. We have nice plastic coating over the metal bars, and all the fixings and fixtures slot in very comfortably. These organiser trays, at first I wasn't quite sure how went in, but later on realising that the wheels had to go on, these trays had to come back out afterwards. These trays can sit flat on any surface. They have 2 feet at the back and a clip in the middle onto the bar under the seat. These circle cup holders do fit a practical cup or mug with your hot cup of coffee in it, maybe some cleaning cans, and of course the rest of the tray does hold all those little accessories like bolts and clips and screwdrivers quite nicely in place. So the centre compartment is quite ideal for lightweight items such as cloth or microfibers, or maybe just your occasional cleaning pouch. And you can see we have these rolling wheels to fit, and the tools provided are totally complete with simple instructions to follow. However, I still managed to get this wrong by putting the locking nut on before the washer, so that had to come back off and the washer went back on. Obviously a bar either side, 2 sets of screws with washers and nuts on either side as well. These wheels are actually really nice and roll very brilliantly. They do have a locking on them so that you don't end up sliding down your driveway whilst trying to clean the side of your car, or perhaps work under that wheel arch. Maybe even use it in the garden just as an outdoor seat holding the beer can. Yes, I have ventured with this already, and as you can see, with one side out of the way, the other side is simply put together the same methods, and you can see that locking nut, locking wheel just there in front. Having put it completely together now, we can see it all functions correctly, and it's a good height to be able to sit at. It's fairly comfortable and really practical. I look forward to using this quite a bit. Mainly to work on my vehicle, but it may end up indoors as well. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. This has been the PowerBuilt rolling seat.